Hello everybody, how are you today? Welcome to this new science lesson. We are going to continue working with unit number 3, caring for my body. And as usual, we are going to use our science book and our activity book. So please get them near you because we are going to use them. During this lesson, we are going to learn about food. Previously, we were talking about healthy food and we were talking about unhealthy food. But today, we are going to talk about a balanced diet. So get ready and pay attention to everything we will study during this lesson. During these lessons, we have studied different actions we can do for caring for our bodies. The first action we studied was about keeping ourselves clean. Brushing our teeth, taking a shower, combing our hair are different actions we can do for keeping ourselves clean. Then we also mentioned that sleeping well is an important activity because when we sleep, we recover all the energy we need to have during the day for doing our different activities. So we need to have a good sleeping time. Also, we mentioned about doing exercises or keeping us fit. We need to run, play football, jump, dance, I don't know, different exercises to keep ourselves strong. And now we are talking about eating well. We need to eat healthy food. We need to have a balanced diet because this food will help us to grow up, will help us to get the energy, and also will prevent us from falling ill. We know that we have three important meals we have to eat during the day. The first one in the morning is our breakfast. And during breakfast, we eat cheese, eggs, cereal, yogurt, fruits, we drink milk, okay? Because this food help us grow. Then, in the afternoon, we have our lunch. Rice, potatoes, spaghetti, salad, and we need to eat this food because this food gives us energy, the energy we need to play, to study, to talk with our classmates. And then in the evening, we have dinner. And during dinner, we can eat fruits and vegetables. And this food is important because they keep us strong and we prevent eating this food, they prevent us from falling ill. So our three meals are breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, and dinner in the evening. So now we are going to open our book on page 38. To have a balanced diet, that is the topic for today's class, we need to eat different types of food because this food will give us different elements. So if we need energy, food like rice, noodles, potatoes are essential and are very important for us because they will give us the energy to spend during our activities in the day. For growing, and it's important for you because you are growing up, we need to eat meat, fish, chicken, and dairy products like cheese, milk, cereal. And for staying strong and healthy, fruits and vegetables are very rich in vitamins. We need to have those different fruits and vegetables to be very strong and healthy, and in that way we don't get sick. So now that we know what we have to eat for growing up, for staying strong, and for getting energy, we are going to do our first activity. So please open your activity book on pages 18 and 19. Here you will observe different pictures of different food. We have 3 instructions to follow. First, with a green pencil, we have to circle the food that help us grow. Then, with a blue pencil, we need to circle the food that makes us strong. And finally, with a red pencil, we need to circle the food that give us energy. After that, we need to complete this idea. We should eat healthy food and drink enough. Let's complete the idea. If you need some help, you can check your book or you can ask your parents. Good luck. Now, let's go back to our book on page 39. Apart from the food, that is very important, we also need to drink enough water. When we do some physical activity, we start sweating. So when we start sweating, we lose water. So when we drink water, we recover that water that we lose. So it's very important drinking water during the day. And obviously, and we were talking about this the previous class, we need to eat less unhealthy food because unhealthy food is not good for our bodies. Cakes, ice creams, pizza, okay? They are delicious, but they are not good for our bodies. So let's eat less, okay? Now, let's do 2 more activities. Let's open our activity book on pages 20 and 21. First activity, are these foods good for us? We need to cross out the unhealthy foods. And here we have an example, a chocolate bar that is unhealthy, so it's crossed out. You have to do the same with the unhealthy food. And then we have 2 kids here, and who's having a healthy food? We need to circle. On activity 3.5, caring for our bodies, we have different pictures here. And the question is, what should we do to be healthy? And we need to make a check on the activities that we have to do to stay healthy. Remember that for doing these activities, you can check your book. Good luck, kids. Now, let's go back to our books on pages 40 and 41. This is the last part of unit number 3. This is the summary. Here we are finishing and we are using all the vocabulary and all the ideas we learned during these 3 lessons. So here you will find the different activities we do for caring for our bodies. Keeping ourselves clean, eating well, sleeping well, and keeping fit. Also, we will find the different vocabulary that we learned during this class here in the science words. And then we have to complete this activity, the self-check activity. We need to complete these ideas using the words that are in the box. Remember that we cannot repeat these words. And now, for finishing this lesson, we will do the final activity. This activity is in the document Getting Ready for Work. Making a balanced diet. Instructions. Draw and color what you usually eat for breakfast, for lunch, and for dinner. You need to draw. For example, for breakfast, I usually have a cup of coffee and a sandwich. So here in the breakfast box, I have to draw a cup of coffee and a sandwich. and I color what you eat for lunch and then what you eat for dinner. Okay, kids, I hope you enjoyed this class. Have an excellent week and take care. Bye bye.